Do you want to change your gender on Facebook? You can add your gender on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your gender on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the personal details section. Find and tap on gender. You can see your current gender. Now, a new screen will appear with different options. Select your preferred gender from multiple options. You can also set the pronouns option from this screen. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your updated gender will appear on your Facebook profile.